Mastering contractions and abbreviations in English. Hello learners! Today, we are going to take a closer look at contractions and abbreviations in the English language. Understanding these will help you grasp the nuances of informal English writing and bring you one step closer to fluency. So, let's dive in. Contractions are a way of shortening words or phrases by omitting certain letters and sounds. In English, we usually replace the missing letters with an apostrophe. They're a common feature of informal writing, often seen in dialogue, casual writing, and even in many professional settings. Some common examples include don't instead of do not, they're instead of they are, I'll instead of I will. Contractions help to create a casual tone and smooth flow in your writing. However, remember that in very formal writing, it's usually recommended to write the full form of the words. Moving on to abbreviations, these are shortened forms of words or phrases too, but they're a little different from contractions. An abbreviation can represent the whole of the original term without necessarily indicating the dropped letters. Some common examples include info instead of information, approximately instead of approximately, ASAP instead of as soon as possible. Abbreviations are handy in informal writing as they save time and space, but like contractions, they may not be suitable for very formal or academic writing. Now, you know what contractions and abbreviations are, but how do you use them correctly? It's essential to use them in the right context and remember that not all words or phrases can be shortened. For contractions, ensure you're using the right form for the subject and verb. For example, use he's for he is, or he has, but not he does. For abbreviations, make sure you're using commonly accepted forms. For example, info is a universally understood abbreviation for information, but INF wouldn't be recognized. Always remember, when in doubt, it's better to spell the word out in full. There you have it. We've explored the world of contractions and abbreviations in informal English writing. Remember, using them can make your writing sound more natural and conversational, but they should be used appropriately. I hope this has been a helpful dive into a key aspect of English language learning. Keep practicing, and you'll master these in no time. Happy learning!